Hello, dear friends. Welcome back to another video. If you are new on this channel, please do subscribe and you will definitely get some informative videos. This channel is always uploading informative videos, and this is one of them. So keep watching this till end. You will definitely get something which really need in your life. The way this carpenter is working, it's really very wonderful. It's hard work of this carpenter, which really shows us that he's really working hard in his daily life. And skilled carpenter is this. Really great, great joint, definitely.